Hey everybody, this is the 150 gallon aquarium that I got here recently that I'm going to totally redo. It was filthy, man. Had so much calcium on it. I already got a lot of it, but as you can see, I still got a lot more work to do to cleaning. And the cabinet doors, they got to go. They suck. And I plan on painting it, I'm thinking black. But this is the aquarium I'm going to redo for my African cichlids. That's my vinegar in water solution, and I've been scraping it with some razor blades, as you can see. It's just horrible, and it was a lot worse. But I'll be bringing you updates on how it turns out. And I'll show you some fish that I'm going to be putting in it. Here's my Mbuna tank. I think I'm going to make a peacock and hat tank. I might have a couple of Mbunas, but I don't know about these guys going in there. I'll probably be putting some of these guys in there eventually when they get bigger. Pantosas and the Venestas. My colony of lemon jakes. The males are going to go in there. All but probably two. That guy's in here because he's a little puss. He gets beat up all day by everyone else. But this colony of blue dolphins definitely going in there. Hopefully they'll get even bigger. This is my male. My main male. I have two of them, but he's the big daddy of the tank. He is just beautiful. He spawns all the time. I would have so many fry if I had room for him. But they'll definitely be going in there. I think I might have a couple. Yeah, I have a lemon jake right there. I had to separate some of the males because they were fighting. I even have a little lab right there. I know he's not a peacock and hat, but I'm trying to grow him out so I could put him in there. I don't know where he went, but well. And my second male is right back there, next to the main male. They fight sometimes, but not too often. That's a female. So I'll be bringing you updates and everything to show how it looks. Thanks everyone.